Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to share your laptop's Wi-Fi internet connection with another device using Windows Network Bridge. No extra router needed. First, open your network connections. Go to Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings. Here you will see your Wi-Fi and Ethernet adapters. Next, select both your Wi-Fi and Ethernet adapters. Right-click and choose Bridge Connections. Windows will create a network bridge linking your Wi-Fi to the Ethernet port. Now, connect the other device to your laptop via Ethernet. It will automatically join the same network and get internet access through your laptop's Wi-Fi. To test, open a browser or command prompt on the connected device and try visiting a website or pinging google.com. Everything should work seamlessly. And that's it! You have successfully shared your Wi-Fi via Ethernet using a network bridge. Easy, fast, and no extra hardware required. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.